Hello, in this video I want to show you how to rename your iRobot Roomba. And to do this we'll need to pair our robot inside iRobot app. I shown you how to do that previously. And now let's scroll down, and here we should find product settings. Click on that one and select about Roomba. Here we can click on product name and rename our Roomba however we like. Now go back, or actually, okay, don't go back, give it the name. And we'll need to close our keyboard for that, I think, or click on the enter. Yep, you'll need to confirm it with the enter on your keyboard, and then we can go back and it will rename our product. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.